and our universe begins based on science. Space Road, our first destination is the planet Earth. The word Earth means the ground, and since our planet is mostly composed of water, we have here the molecular structure of water itself. So again, we have here the molecular structure of water. We have two hydrogen and one oxygen, or H2O.
Experience the transformation of matter in Molecularium, a magical musical adventure in a world of atoms and molecules.
We have six fundamental elements that are essential to create life. And those elements are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. The six fundamental elements that are essential to create life. Without those six elements, life on our planet would not exist. Based on science, everything in our universe are connected to one another.
So this is not life. How does everything relate? On this red planet, there are millions of relationships between multiple elements. The environment that is easy to see. We are with our day one of the most extraordinary and ironically, you depend on the same bacteria to digest food. Whether inside your body, or in lakes full of arsenic and salt, or in a small drop of water, life has adapted and has made this planet on the This process, which began on our planet billions of years ago, happened with atoms written on the soil. An inheritance that is present in everything around.
And we have here the ISS, or International Space Station. It was built by 15 countries in 10 years. Webb Telescope, we have here a closer look to the planet Jupiter, the gas giant. So we have here the Great Red Spot, the largest and the longest star that exists in our solar system. One of the four largest moons of Jupiter, this one is Callisto. Io, the volcanic moon of Jupiter, and this is the planet Saturn. And based on the studies that if the planet Saturn, we get that rich because of planet Saturn it rains diamonds. From our marine biodiversity to our rainforest. We are given with lots of resources by our planet. But because some of our actions and activities as human beings, it affects and harms the planet Earth in a bad way. Those actions such as Canadian farming, illegal logging, overfishing, air and water pollution. It affects the planet Earth, and that's why we are now experiencing what we call the climate change. And this is how our universe begins, based on science. So at first, there should be a nebula, birthplace of a star. And the nebula that we discovered in our universe is what we call the Eagle Nebula, or also known as the Pillars of Creation. And according to science, 13.8 billions of years ago, our universe begins on what we call the Big Bang Theory. And planet Earth is covered with water moons. And as time passed by and other stars to exist on our planet, jellyfish are the first creature that roams the planet Earth. For the largest creature that we live. Also, based on science, Ice Age is one of the reasons why dinosaurs got extinct. Once again, this is what they call the Eagle Nebula, or also known as the Pillars of Creation. And this is the sun. End of the world will happen once the sun reaches its limit. It will expand and consume the planets Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and all the life that our planet will surely die. And that end of the world will happen based on science 5 billion years from now. A new nebula will be formed, and a new star will be born. So this is the end of life, a brief history of life. Okay, so that is the end of our